Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? These are some young cabbage that I plant a few days ago. Not a few days ago, a few weeks ago. But if you look at them, you could see how they're looking, like so strong and juicy and powerful. And there's no kind of fertilizer added to these cabbage. The only thing is manure from trees and grass and bushes mixed up with dirt. That's the only thing. But look how these cabbage looking really powerful. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, guys, if you understand your plant, because while you're planting for years, you're going to understand your plant very well. You're going to understand what the cabbage like, how to take care of them. And when you get cabbage this kind of size from young, you already know they're going to be big cabbage. Look at the tree, look at the size. You know what I'm saying? And these are young cabbage. Ain't even start falling yet, but look at the size of them. Look how powerful they are. Look at them. Real big and powerful. You know what I'm saying? These are the cabbage I have left because all that I planted last year did not really, everything turned to seed. So I'm really hoping for better luck with these cabbage. I mean, look at them. This video is the result of my product, the way I take care of them. You know, I don't have much cabbage, but I'm just showing you guys how big and juicy these cabbage looking. And they ain't even start folding yet. They're still pushing out leaf. Alright, so that's all I wanted to show you guys. So there's a short video. You know, I show you guys this garden so much that I'm trying to hide it from you guys for like a week. So in a week time, when you look back